Hi guys, welcome back to this new video from my channel Trend the Trend. I hope you guys take a look, maybe subscribe and take a look to the previous videos, the analysis videos, also the learning videos. So again, please take a look and subscribe to see all the new analysis about forex market, crypto market, and index and stock market too. Without further ado, this video gonna be about the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the Ripple. It's about the cryptocurrencies. First of all, we should notice that in the previous days the Bitcoin reached the $13,000 because of some news. PayPal, the money institution PayPal announced that the Bitcoin will be on their currencies to trade or yes. So we've seen that Bitcoin here on the 13,000 between yesterday and the day before again. So before that we could see that this is the downtrend that's been engulfed, break a little retest, not retesting well, but go up again to the previous high on the July 2019. So I see that we got this level, which is a K level. For sure the price will maybe retest and break. So let's do this scenario. We have this fall and we have this bullish to this area. Okay, first of all let's draw our key level. Yes, that's our key level. Well, in my analysis I'd like to name it SR flip. Okay, let's do it this way. So we have this next zone, base little bit. I see it as a base, and we have another down or drop. So this is a rally, this is a base, this is a drop. On this base we could see that we have this this part high. No, this is a lower high. Okay, so this is our area as I see it, our zone that we could go from there short maybe. So okay, so we could see this is the fake out zone right here, but the price may go up and down from here. So as I said, the price, if the price go here, maybe we're gonna go bearish from this area to first go, and why not second go. This is one. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin as I see it. Okay, and my forecast for the days coming. Now we go to the Ethereum. As I see it, maybe it has similar concept, similar analysis as Bitcoin, but a little bit clear. As you can see, this is the Ethereum USD on the US dollar on the daily time frame. We have here our Quasimodo. This is a high, this is a low, this is a high, and this is our low. We wait the price here plus this reversal area, so we wait the price right here to go short to here. First go. Okay, this is our goal. Maybe this is the only goal that we seek for. So this is the fake out zone. Let's make it clear. This is our fake out zone. Okay, this here is prohibited trading area, as I call it. Okay, so this is the Ethereum. We see here our first killer. Okay, let's call it SR flip. We have our support, resistance, and third resistance, which make it a very strong key level. We go here, we see our another key level, which we have here support, we have here a resistance, so maybe the price will break from here, retest. Okay, retest and go to the area that I see is our area. So we don't care much what happens here, we care much about what happens in here. So maybe we go short from this area. This is the Ethereum, maybe the same look as the Bitcoin. The Ripple also has the same view, maybe a little bit difference on the spaces, on the zones. Okay, the XRP, as we can see it, we have very strong K level, SR flip level. We have here nice clear support, resistance number 1, number 2, number 3, and we have the number 4 also on these days. So we have the price gonna break from here to here for sure. We have this, another expected K level price. Okay, the price retest and go here. We don't care much what happens in here, but we'll make our structure strong. So we have this reversal area, which is low, high, lower low, and high, and we see this momentum down and this nice compression, bullish compression. So I'd like to say about the Ripple that I did analysis on the lower time frame. This is the analysis that I do, and we have this 100% take profit hit. Okay, now we expect the price. We expect the price in this area, so we can think of going short. Okay, so this is my forecast on the crypto. 3 cryptos. We have the Bitcoin, we have the Ethereum, and we have this Ripple, which is the same view. As I said, thank you again. Hit subscribe on the channel to see all new about multiple financial markets analysis. Thank you again. See you on my next video.